How are you doing today? This is Vincent again from www.easywebdesignforbeginners.com, the best free web design resources and tools for anyone who wants to build a web page, especially beginners. And this is Web Page Maker Overview Part 7, Build a Web Page Quick and Easy. Now I just want to give you an idea of how fast and easy you can build your own web page with Web Page Maker. And I already have Web Page Maker open, but not full size because I want to keep the dimensions small for a YouTube video. Now, before I build a web page, I like to put all my images I'm going to use into one file. That way I don't have to search for them. And this I've already done. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I'm going to go up here and click on the image box. And let's go find, I'm going to go ahead and double click on this. I'm going to stretch this image, take it all the way to the top, and move this, make it a little bit smaller here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in some navigation bars. And these ones already have red in them, so I'm going to go ahead and use those. I hit OK. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I want about 7 of them, so I'm going to add some. Now I could go ahead and edit the text, the layout, customize them, whatever, but I'm not going to right now. That's, I think I already showed you before. Okay. There we go. And next thing I'm going to do is go up here and I'm going to go ahead and get a bottom image here. Let's go ahead and put that across here like this. So I'm going to kind of close that up just a little bit there. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to get some advertising. So let's go and get some ads. We can, oh well, no, let's get some letters. Now I could go ahead and type in the letters with Web Page Maker, but I want to use some images. And we're going to go ahead and go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open. Okay. And I'm going to move these kind of into place here. And we're going to name this website Red Hot. Okay. And let's go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to take this T here and go ahead and make it small like this. And I'm holding my control key down on my keyboard and then moving that, making it smaller. Then I'm going to go ahead and select all of these. You can see the pink around, they're all selected. Right click on any of the images. Go to size. I want the width shrink to the smallest, height shrink to the smallest, hit OK. And now they're all the same size. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and move these over a little bit. Okay, and let's go ahead and see what we got here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select them all. And I'm going to move this to the top and down just a little bit here. Okay, I'm going to go up here and click on text. And let's go ahead and make this a little smaller so you can see what I'm doing here. So I got the text. I'm going to build a web page fast and easy. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and center that. And I'm going to bold it. And I'm going to change the color on that to a light gray and hit OK. And then I'm going to stretch this out and move this up here where we can see it. Okay. Now next thing I want to do is get some ads for my website, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go ahead, Control key, hold that down, select these images, hit open. I'm going to go ahead and move these over here. And I'm going to take this one here and make it smaller. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and select all three of them. They're all highlighted. And again, let's do it up here so you can see this here. Right click on any of the images, size, shrink to smallest with height, hit OK. And then I can move them into place however I want them. I can add the links and whatever I need to do. And we're going to go ahead and move that over there like that. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is add a YouTube video. Okay, I'm now at YouTube and I want to embed this video of mine, Web Page Maker Overview Part 6, into the red hot website. So I'm going to go to the bottom here and click on Share. And then I want to click on Embed. I don't want this here, so I'm going to give, so these are all blank. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this code. So right click it, and then I'm going to add it to my web page. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's close this out. Okay, so going to go to Insert, HTML code, paste, and I want to change the size here to from 425 to 225 to 149, just so it fits in this video, and hit OK. And I'm going to go ahead and get myself this video frame, which is pretty large. I'm going to shrink it up a little bit here. And I just grab it in the corners and bring it down. And I'm going to right click on it and layer, send all the way to the back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller here. And I'm going to go ahead and go over here, edit, get rid of the grid here so I can see that video code. Okay, so I'm going to shrink this a little bit, like this. Okay. And let's go ahead and see what that would look like in a browser. So we're going to click Preview. And there we go. We click on that and that would start it. Okay, let's go ahead and stop that. Okay, let's go ahead and close out the browser. And I'm going to go ahead and select these and move them over a little bit, center it just a little bit more. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to Insert, Marquee, double click on that. Oops. Let's move this over here, double click on this, and let's build a website fast and easy with Web Page Maker today. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. Well, let me go ahead and select this. Okay, copy. Okay, now I'm going to hit OK. And I want to double click. Now I want to right click on that. And we're going to go Properties. And I want it to scroll up and I want it to slow down. So we're going to slow it down as far as the going movement. And then I'm going to go ahead, and I could go ahead and put some text over here if I wanted to. And let's go ahead and put some more in there. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and move that over a little bit. Let's go ahead and make this text a little bit smaller here. Let's make it 8. That should do it. Okay. So we got this scrolling here, which could be anything we want. And we got here, it could be links, content. And up here, you know, we could put an AdSense ad. We could name this, etc. So let's go ahead and see what this would look like on the web. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and preview it. Oh, wait a minute. Go to Format, Page, Appearance, and I want to center it. Now we're going to hit OK. Browse. I like to center all mine. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Okay. So this is the actual page here. And let's go ahead and copy that. Capture any area. And let's see. Save. Red hot. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay, now, so this is what it would look like as far as a web page, but again, it would be larger. So let's go ahead and get out of the browser. And let's go ahead and delete this here. I'm going to go ahead and, oh wait, I forgot one thing. Let's put a little bit more of a background back here. Sorry about that. But see how nice and quick I can change things here. I'm going to go ahead and bring that down. And now I'm going to put right click on it, layer, send to back. And I'm going to go ahead and this layer, send all the back. Now I can, okay, and well, let's send this one to back. Layer, send all the way to the back, and now we're going to go ahead and bring that down a little bit there. Okay, so again, let's go browse, see what we got here. And I need to move this over a little bit here. Okay, well that's it for now. And let's go ahead and look at it one more time. There you go. And I'm going to go ahead and don't want to save it. And I'm going to go ahead and call it quits. Okay, so there we go. You saw how fast I did that. You can do it too. It's so easy with the Web Page Maker. And thank you for watching, and you have a great day.